Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so we just had the jobs report about 10 minutes ago. You can see we've been in this consolidation range now really since March the 25th, with the 9-day underneath and the daily mid-band above, and everything kind of coming together here as these two moving averages come together right in and around the 23 to 25 area. They actually ran it up to that area right about 8 a.m. They brought it back down. They traded as low as 84 and change for jobs, actually 85.25 for jobs. They pushed it above. We're currently long off the reaction, and we'll see if it wants to head back up and over 25. If it can convert this area, you can see a little better on the hourly chart. So there's your 9-day at 23, daily mid-bands at 12. There's your jobs reaction. It's trying to get up over the top. If it can convert, then it can go ahead and challenge the weekly highs over the course of the day up there in the 2630 area. Now, on the other side of it, if it can't do it, and it hasn't been able to do it, it tried yesterday, it can head back and test the weekly pivot one more time. The bears have had their chances at weekly pivot. Wednesday, again yesterday, and the bulls have held them off every time and then had a decent amount of follow through after that. So if we are done, and it's Friday, so in any other environment, I would sit here and tell you, look, the battle of the weekly pivot went on a little longer than we expected. The bulls clearly won the battle. They get the directional days of Thursday and Friday. Yesterday wasn't exactly directional. It was really jumpy tape. But they have an opportunity here, if they convert through 23, to have a directional Friday. Of course, there's tons of news and headlines and things that are going to weigh on it and do different things. The other thing that you have to understand is oil is up another 11-12% today. It's over $28 on the futures. If oil goes up, that's going to help the market. The market's not going to do much on a sustainable basis with oil at $19 or $20 a barrel. It just affects too many businesses that comprise, planet Earth, so to speak. And it's great that we have cheap gas in our cars so we can drive absolutely nowhere, because most of us are not allowed to leave our houses. So I'm sure up on the corner it's like $1.97 gas, but it doesn't really matter. So keep an eye on daily pivot here as well, 24.88. VWAP, volume weighted average price, and hourly midband are in right at the roundy there at 2,500. So 2,500 can still be an area where we fight for most of the morning. Try not to get chopped up. It certainly did its best to try to chop everybody up yesterday on either side of that roundy. And what's interesting to me into the close today is, do we close above or below the 9-day? Do we close above or below the 9-day? If we close above, then I think there's a point where you're going to have to ask yourself the question, is this, not for me, I'll be flat this weekend. The answer for me is no. But for other people, the question might be, do I want to be long over the weekend? I still think it's an emphatic no. I mean, as far as just trading this stuff day to day, you don't need the gap risk on a Sunday night to screw up the first part of your week. Other people that hold for longer, that hold for clients and institutions and stuff, they might have to answer that question, and it may be a yes if they're looking at the tape later on and it's and it's above that 9-day and it's looking strong. So we'll see how that all plays out. That's the most interesting part of today for me. All right. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Trade them well. Come check out the room. I'll talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.